In this lecture, we'll be taking a look at some of the common methods that the string object provides. So over here, we have created an instance of string and the variable stores it as hi there. And then what we are doing is we are also storing the same value but in an uppercase in another variable called su. Here you'll notice we are just printing s, that is going to print hi there, where h will be capital and t will be capital. Then we have another method which, when applied on the string, capitalizes, so it will capitalize h and rest every other stuff will be in lowercase. After that we have s.upper, which just converts everything to uppercase. Lower, as the name suggests, converts it to lowercase. Title will convert it as we are seeing it, so every word's first letter will be capitalized. Then we have swap case, so whatever is the current case, that will be swapped. And then we have case fold. Now case fold output in general will look very similar to the output that we have for lower, but this works very aggressively and it also works on UTF-8 symbols. So if you have any special character, that also will be presented as a lowercase letter or character. Here I'm trying to show that these two will be different objects altogether because strings are immutable. So whenever you are doing some operation on it, a new string is created in memory, and that is what we'll be showing you or demonstrating you with this example. We can also concatenate two string like we have over here, s and su, by plus symbol. So the output will be shown over here. Let's go ahead and execute it now. There you go. We have the output coming up. Hi there is the usual one. Then capitalize, you can see the first letter is capitalized. Then upper changes everything to uppercase, lower changes everything to lowercase, and then here this is the title case, hi there, and then we have swap case and case fold. Here these are the two IDs that you see and both are different. That simply shows that these two are different objects in memory. And here we are just concatenating s and su using the plus symbol. So these are some of the commonly used operations methods that you'll come across when working with string objects in Python.